To wash the fabric neck scarf and pads, start by removing it from the frame. Simply grab the bottom of the mask, then pry the fabric off with your thumbs. You can then easily remove it from the rest of the frame. Once the scarf is off, pull the pads from the inside of the dome. For the best results, remove the foam inserts from pads before washing. Hand or machine wash the fabric in cold water and then lay flat to dry. Do not bleach or iron the scarf. Before reapplying the scarf, replace the pads back inside the dome. The hood section at the top, the power switch and charge port flap on the side, and the elastic seal on the inside of the scarf.